How to install the IVO cylinder surface mount from Gotham Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. With the IVO cylinder family, choose from 2 different aperture sizes and 4 different cylinder body lengths, ranging from a shallow cylinder to extra long cylinders. The installation experience is the same across all shapes and sizes for the surface mount cylinder. Refer to the installation manual for specific J-Box configuration options and mounting requirements. First, remove the mounting pan from the fixture by rotating it counterclockwise. Bring the mounting pan up to the junction box and pull the supply wires through the center hole. Rotate the pan clockwise until the screws are at the end of the key slots. Then, tighten the junction box screws. Next, fasten the safety cable to the mounting pan. To begin feeding power to the fixture, connect the wires together. Then, push the supply wires back into the junction box and ensure the wire connections do not interfere with the tabs. Align the tabs on the mounting pan to the receivers on the cylinder fixture. Then, rotate the fixture clockwise until the tabs make contact with the receivers. Finally, tighten the set screw on the side of the cylinder to lock the fixture into place. Trims are field interchangeable by manually pulling down to overcome the spring lock. Optics can be removed with a simple twist and lock mechanism. To learn more about IVO cylinders, visit gothamlighting.acuitybrands.com.